custom blessed with sensitive hearing. You can never guess what it ends up revealing. Goodness, yes, never so queer things. Shudders and tremors and intimate feelings. Underhand sinister secretive dealings. Hid in the middle of weeping and wailing. Ears are piercing merely from squealing. Shrieking, screaming, bringing in ceiling. Shh, quiet please. Hush, 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 hush. Shush your mouth, don't make